Guys, today's Friday, May 30th. We took one trade today on futures. Um, I kind of took this trade and I was, pretty happy with what I got in the day. So, hold on. Sorry. All right. So, going today, like I said yesterday, I kind of figured that we would be sweeping all of this sell side, which we did. I was correct. So, going to the morning, I'm pretty sure I found this SMT like around 8 market open, give or take 750. Um, so going into today, I'm looking for basically any just bearish models playing out. So I'm looking for market maker sell models because obviously we want to go short, we want to ride the wave, continue going downward. Um, so um, in the morning, I spot this sweep, and we also had an SMT, so this is instantly an A plus in my mind. I'm not sure why this isn't drawn out, but we also did, we kind of had a little chop in this for Valley Gap, but we ended up just displacing straight through it. And then that was enough for me to kind of clear out this choppiness because we had just like a clear breakdown. So I was okay with using it in my model. Um, Now, in terms of the change in the state, we kind of had, I don't know if you can tell, but the leg here is huge. Like I'm telling you, the 1 minute candles were going crazy. It was insane. Watching this all play out, it was insane. So basically, price comes down, and basically what I'm waiting for when price was over here in this leg at the bottom, I'm basically waiting for a retrace back up into our change of the state, which we had here, and then go back down into, take profits and ultimate take profit, which is down here, which I ended up exiting at break even. Well, exiting, obviously it wasn't a real trade, but I was trailing my stop. So by the end of the trade, it looked like this, and we got stomped right here. I don't know why it's not working, but right there at this little candle right here. Which is fine. I mean, both my take profits got hit. I'm not mad about this at all. The model actually did end up playing out if I would have stuck in the trade. Yeah, we ended up sweeping form liquidity over there, and then we also bounced off of a high time frame confluence, and now we are in market maker buy models. I had it drawn out, but I just felt like just I'd rather just take my wins and not try and overdo it. But yeah, it's crazy how there's a whole model right here. I mean, I personally just didn't really want to trade it just because I already had my win for the day. I don't want to overdo it, but it's crazy how this works. It's literally clockwork. My fault, my mom walked in. But it's just crazy how these models play out. I mean, we had a sweep inside of a high time frame confluence, and look at this. I mean, look at this. We're basically back up to these highs. Like that's insane to me. It's insane how predictable this has become because of so much practice I've done. And bro, I know how this works, and it's insane. I feel like a wizard almost. But obviously, I don't want to get confident because right when you're confident, shit can turn on you, which is okay. I mean, I'm with all these wins that I've been having. A loss is gonna humble me, and I'm okay with that. And some people may not be okay with that. Some people just want to win, 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 win. But I think a part of discipline is going to be just mentally managing your losses as well and taking your losses as wins. Because me personally, if I take a loss, but my model played out, we had the inverse, change of state, retrace, high time frame, um, all of it occurring in a high time frame, confluence, fair value gap, order block, breaker block. If my model plays out and we ended up just flipping, I'm not mad. The only reason I would be mad is if I just took a stupid trade because I had FOMO and I see that ES is dying and I just want to get in. But that's not how you trade. You trade with your model, you trade with conviction. And I mean, that's the way to go. So, yeah, this is a trade for the day. I didn't end up taking any other trades, I don't think. We ended up dumping on a lot of these markets. Like, yeah, we dumped like crazy here. I after I saw that, I kind kind of just let it be. I didn't really see much on the dollar pairs as well, so this was the only move for today. I'm pretty happy with it. Um, by the way, I'm probably going to buy my eval account on Sunday. I'm nervous. I'm excited. I'm a little bit of everything, but I'm ready. I think I don't know if anyone has any experience, but I think win or lose, it's going to be a part of my journey, and I think I'm just going to look back on it and just reflect. Whether I win or lose, it's still going to be helpful in terms of my journey, because I'm sure whether I pass or I fail, there's going to be more fundeds. But other than that, I hope everyone had a good day training today. Um, Hopefully everyone wins, everyone profits, everybody eats tonight. And I'll catch you guys Monday.